Hi. What are you gonna do? You coming down? Ooh. Ooh. Are you gonna go do it again? Oh. Ah. Tyler. Are y'all done with the slide? There he is. Hey. You gonna come up? You gonna climb? Are you 16 months old, Tyler? And big sister Quinn is at swimming lessons with Grandy, so we get to play. Uh-oh, careful. Tyler, no sir. Come down the slide. Do the slide. Can you do the slide? Can you do the slide? Oh, there he is. No. No. Tyler. No, sir. Okay. Sit down on here. Can you do the slide? You do the slide? You ready? 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 Can you say yay? Okay. You say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, we'll see you next time, you big climber. Up, up, up. Can you go up? There you go. Good climbing. Tyler, you do the slide. There you go. There you go.